live at night, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but
Alright, what's up, y'all? It's Tyler, and I'm back for another YouTube video today. We're not going to be doing any skating, but we are out with the homies and my girlfriend, and we are currently at a car show. So I'm going to show you a bunch of fucking fancy cars that are just driving around on these streets and parked and shit. So if you guys want to watch this video, then definitely watch it. Click that fucking like button, click that fucking subscribe button. You already know how it is. We got some like old school classics coming by right now. But yeah, let's get to the car show. Oh my god, that old school Aston Martin. Oh. Old school Camaros. Woo. Nice little vet. Damn, son.
I picked all the other dates, so this is kind of
Dude, the Chevy 2. 57 Bel Air. My favorite car ever, the Z28 Camaro.
Look at the pink one, babe.
Ooh. The Dodge Charger RT. Camaros, more vets, more old school trucks. These are the ones that are up for voting, I think.
Yeah, they have a bunch of stuff you can buy, like t-shirts and stuff.
What, the 302 Mustang? You want to see a 302? We chilling, that's a Willys.
The light blue one at the end.
Wait, are we? That's fucking sick. Hey, look at that fucking Mustang. Got the 57 Chevy, I think. 55 maybe?
Yeah, Talbot's blocked off.
Yeah, this section of Talbot's blocked off, so we'll go down and then go back up.
Want to go this way? Wait, this way?
Yeah, left. That's where Malachi's is.
So we're going the last.
So we whipping.
Oh my god.
Look at all these motherfucking people, bruh. Look at all these people, yo.
Why do you think we're not staying long? Too many people.
392 Hemi.
I have no anxiety at all right now.
Me too. I can look at fucking cool ass cars all fucking day long. Hey, one day I will have a car like this. Y'all better make that shit happen. Y'all better make that shit happen. What's up, bro? Y'all better make that shit happen. I swear to God. I better have a nice ass car by the time I'm 26. If y'all don't do that shit, smash the fucking like button right the fuck now. We're stuck behind people, bruh. How the fuck am I talking to my phone and shit? Are you asking me how the fuck I'm talking to my phone and shit? No, I'm shooting the video, bro. You in the video. You in the video, bitch. Oh, the Camaro. Yes, sir. That thing is beautiful.
What is that?
What? That's wax. Do you want to go into Malachi's first, and then we can just come back this way?
We might as well go to Malachi's.
Malachi's right here. Yeah. What's good, bro? How you doing, bro?
I know, I need a break.
Hey, yo, what's good? What's good?
How you doing?
How you doing, brother?
I'm good. What's up, man?
Hey, say something to the group, bro.
What's up, group?
Hey, let's go. Let's go. The sponsor in the house. You already know.
How you guys been doing?
Ah, pretty good, man.
I've never been in here.
We all mobbing out here. We got all the fucking merch, bro.
Josh is choked.
I am choked.
He didn't bring his
Hey,
wallet.
yo.
I guess I should have told me to come here.
I wish I brought the wallet.
Hey, yo. He has no shoes in my size, bro. It's okay. I ordered the Shanes. I literally ordered the Shanes, so it's fine. We're good. Then we got the fucking phone wall. What?
Fuck Trudeau, bro.
Babe, look at the Coca-Cola top.
Fuck Trudeau.
Babe, the Coca-Cola top.
Yeah, I know, it's sick.
Oh shit.
That's
The
sick.
purple one behind it.
If it was a guy's shirt, I would totally
That
get
would
it. I'm
not
sponsored
fit me.
that.
My whole titty would be out.
For real. No, we out in this bitch. We got all this fucking merch and shit. All these different companies and
We have his merch in our backpack.
yeah, we got some merch in the backpack right now. Kind of want this black on black shirt though. Hey, I can't get any of the Jordan stuff. It all has to be St. T shit.
Yo, come back here.
Bopper.
I should have brought my wallet.
He's so
I would have
choked.
bought this right now. I need
He's
an all white
so
outfit, bro.
choked.
You need an all white fit?
Yeah,
You
it's
already
right here.
have like red, yellow.
I have red, yellow, and blue, but I need white.
Alright, let's get it. What else do we want in this motherfucker? Hey, this is definitely a female shirt, god damn it.
That's in his backpack right now.
Yeah.
Yeah,
The purple one.
There's also the black
It's my
one.
girl's hoodie.
Oh yeah, I got your the hoodie from Blue Notes, the black one.
Alright.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, this is the sweater wall. This is where I most commonly come every time. But I don't think I'm gonna grab anything besides this fucking shirt. I want this shirt or that. So, all right, Malachi, yeah, that's all I want.
Okay.
That's all you want?
Yep.
Take
All
care,
right.
guys.
Peace out, bro.
Okay, take care, man.
Have a good one.
Bye. You too.
Hey, we got our sponsor pickup in the video too. Let's go.
Oh my god.
These classic ass ends, bro.
Okay, I know you didn't come, but like I just want to show you.
This shit is
There's
beautiful,
at
bro.
least, how many people do you think?
Oh,
500?
like, at least 1,000.
Oh yeah.
This place is packed up right now. The old school Chevelle. This place is packed to the gills, bro. 302, 302. Come on, bring your ass. 302 Mustang. This is my boy's favorite car ever in existence. I told you, bro. I told you there'd be one. I told you there'd be at least one.
Yo, yo.
Someone's definitely smoking a joint right now.
This thing's gorgeous.
Bro, this is my dream car. This is actually yo.
I should. This is your dream car?
Yo,
Hey, you want a picture with it?
yo, low key, I
Hey, you want a picture with it? I'll take a picture of you.
This thing's a fucking absolute beauty.
Bro, my heart.
Back at it. AMC
Are you
Javelin.
happy I messaged you?
Another Camaro.
Yeah.
He had no idea.
Another nice little Nova. Oh, the Pontiac.
Oh yeah, that too,
The
yeah.
back window. Oh, this is a 65 Stang. Hey, we around more fucking cars, bro.
The food truck.
The Z28s, bro. They're out in full effect right now.
Do you have any medical history?
We vibing. They got the paramedics out here.
Still so many people as you go down.
Cadillac Eldorado. Woo!
This just goes all the way down.
Ford Bronco. Oh, look at that. The Honda. The Honda. That car is so low, dude.
Yeah, it is. What's coming down? What's coming down?
That is another 302.
No, it's not. Wait, is it?
Yes, sir, that is.
Trying to drive through here.
That thing is a pretty bitch.
Aren't the roads
There's the Camaro that my dad got an offer to trade for his truck,
That shit.
and he didn't take
Oh,
it.
babe, can I get a phone number tonight?
Yeah. Old school fire truck. Let's go. Look at these things. Okay, if you drive these things in Forza, they literally
Wait,
go
yo.
up on their back wheel and spin around in circles.
Yo, what the fuck?
It's so
Wait, what?
sick.
Wait, what?
It's a 3-wheel car.
Keys.
What the fuck?
It's a 3-wheel
Could
car.
this be my new whip?
Yeah, you want that to be your new whip?
Yeah.
Hey, new whip, who this?
There's so many people.
There's at least like 2,000 people here. Bro.
Everyone's probably come from like Almer, London. That's why there's so many people. Because it was on the radio.
Another 302.
So there's why I knew.
There's 3 of them so far.
Yo, this is a nice one.
All I saw was onions.
It's gorgeous. 350. That's Tahoe. Pontiac Fiero. See, these kind of fucking cars, bro. If I could go back to the 50s
Yeah.
That's what I saw.
Or one of these guys right here.
or one of these, bro.
I wish I brought sunglasses. I can't see shit.
Yeah, man, that's still like pretty sweet. Anyways.
Such beautiful cars on this end. A lot more pretty cars than expected.
Is it bad that I don't know anything about cars? I just know the colors.
Yes.
Or ones that I think look
Bro,
cool.
look at the engine.
Yeah, I know. Look at this fucking thing. It's a Coyote Duster.
Look.
305.
That is so dumb.
That's a Mustang. That's a Mustang. That's a Mustang. That's a Mustang.
Oh, yeah, we're getting the shade.
Oh, there's the Super Snake.
Finally.
Okay. This Impala is nasty.
I like the color.
Chevy Impala. Pontiac Firebird. Got more 50s cars out here.
That one has a little side on it.
I know. Oh. My shirt.
Yeah, don't put it
That's cool. Got another vet. I have no idea what that is.
There's even a domino stand, babe.
Oh,
There's
dude.
a domino stand.
Let's fucking go. These things are
It's got that
beautiful.
kind of, I knew they would have 50%.
Beautiful, beautiful cars.
Imagine we see it right here.
Oh, dude, I can almost guarantee at this point that there is going to be one somewhere.
No. If I see one of those, I will actually try.
Out of just pure beauty.
No, for real.
You cried. Pure beauty.
Oh, the sun's coming back.
The more you walk up more, the more shade it's going to get.
We don't need to go that much anymore anyway.
My favorite car of all time. Nice little Buick GNX. He's gorgeous. Most of the way down. More 55s. I think that one's a 57.
I don't know what
This bitch is gorgeous. Continental. Lincoln Continental. That's what the president used to roll around in. Just go up onto the sidewalk.
No, I know. I just wanted to
There's
throw,
less people up here.
I just wanted to throw that out. Some
No,
of them are-
President JFK used to ride around in the Lincoln Continental, which is
It's
fucking
so
sick.
bright. I can't see shit.
Oh shit, what's up?
Oh, hey, Vanessa.
Hi.
One of Josh's friends. We met her at the bookstore the other day.
Oh, nice people, bro.
Another one.
Bro,
Another one.
bro.
That one's a Mach
It's
1.
a Mach 1, yo. That's my brother's dream car.
I think
Your brother's dream car is a Mustang Mach 1?
Yeah.
I think it honestly just keeps
shit.
going.
It looks like
It does to a degree because it stops at one of these corners up here and then it
stops
loops
at,
back
Max
around.
Mill. It's a mini white car.
that would be so fun.
That's an RSR.
Yo.
Yo, we need to go sit with that RSR, bro.
Yo.
Let's go see that RSR. Porsche 911 RSR. Yeah, it ends right at this corner. The Porsche 911 RSR. This car is the fastest car on Need for Speed Heat.
You're gonna want to watch it on that
The Challenger from Fast and the Furious. Definitely.
Where's your challenge?
Fuck yeah. That's the 70. That's the 70 Charger. Oh my god. Ah, giving me Dominic Toretto vibes here. God damn, this thing is a thing of beauty.
1970.
Wow.
States right there.
That thing is
Imagine how much this
gorgeous.
car's cost.
All right, well, it's a little while later. We're just walking home now. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please leave a like, comment what your favorite car was that was at the show, and share this video to any car lovers out there, because I'm definitely a fucking car lover, especially classic cars. Oh, the smell of gas, I can smell it. Oh, it's so good. But please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share this to anybody in the car community. Appreciate you guys.
You got 40, 50 subscribers, it's gonna be 40 million. I'm predicting. It's gonna be 40 million in less than 2 years. Watch.
Hell yeah.
Watch.